Chicken breast rolls, for any occasion. Cut the chicken breast in half. Then cut thin, long slices. Pound the chicken fillet with a meat mallet. Grate the boiled eggs and put them in a bowl. Add cheese grated on the small grater. Add mayonnaise. Season with salt and black pepper. Finely chop a few mushrooms. Fry the mushrooms in the pan with vegetable oil. Add salt and lemon juice. Put the mushrooms in the bowl. Mix all the ingredients. Put the filling on the chicken fillet. Finely chop a few slices of bacon. Put it over the filling and roll tightly. Cut off the ends of the rolls. Cut the rolls in half. Put flour in a tray. Crack eggs into another tray. Season with salt and mix well. Roll the rolls in flour. Dip in beaten eggs. Fry the rolls in the pan with vegetable oil until they brown on all sides. Pour in beer and braise for 5 minutes. Put finely chopped tomatoes in a large bowl, canned corn, cheddar cheese, sour cream. Mix the salad. Add finely chopped green onion and mix again. Chicken breast rolls with a hearty filling are the first to disappear from the table. Regardless of whether you serve them with a side dish, sauce, or salad, the rolls are a true culinary treat.